Are you leaking money from your real estate business simply because you're not connecting with leads fast enough? Today, we're diving into whether a smart number for your Kvcore website is the missing piece to supercharge your lead generation. Let's jump in. First, what exactly is a smart number? It's a dedicated phone number within Kvcore that lets you track calls, send text messages, and automatically route leads. Think of it as your central command center for communication. Let's talk call tracking with a smart number. Kvcore records every call that comes through that number. You can then see exactly which marketing campaigns are driving the most calls and which ones need some tweaking. To access these settings, navigate to Marketing Autopilot and select Smart Number. Next up, text messaging. Engage leads instantly with personalized text. Kvcore lets you send individual messages or create automated text campaigns to nurture leads. Texting has a high open rate, making it a game changer for quick follow-ups. Lead routing is where the real magic happens. Configure your smart number to automatically assign leads to the right agent based on criteria like zip code, price range, or lead source. No more leads falling through the cracks. So, should you get a smart number if you want to improve your communications and increase your lead engagement and conversion rates? The answer is a resounding yes. It streamlines communication, automates tasks, and gives you valuable data to optimize your marketing efforts. Now go forth and dominate your local market with the power of Kvcore Smart Numbers. Subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.